Hello everyone, welcome to Sense Business Studies. So today's topic is going to be based on partnership accounts, part 2. So in part 1 we learned the theory part of current account, capital account, partnership accounts, and today we'll be learning how to make a partnership account, a current account, and a capital account. So please subscribe to Sense Business Studies, and I am having my own YouTube channel as well. It's called Crazy IGCSE. Please go and check it out. And this is my YouTube channel, Crazy IGCSE. So let's get into the topic. And this is the format of a profit and loss appropriation account. So first we record the profit for the year, and then we add the interest on drawings of each partner. Then we deduct the interest on capital, partner's salary, and then we'll get one amount of the total profit, and then we'll share the profit amongst the two partners. So for that there'll be a particular ratio they'll be giving. Accordingly we'll be finding the profit for each partner. So let's see an example. So this is the first question and it has 7 steps. So the first part, we need to record the profit for the year. So here the profit for the year is 27,920. So that's recorded, 27,920. Then plus the interest on drawings. Now we did not take the drawings amount, they only want the interest on drawings. So we take the interest on drawings. So for Ben it's 490, and for Tom it is 1040. Then we need the interest on capital, and interest on capital will be deducted. Now the interest on capital for 1st February it's 90,000 for Ben. So there are 2 ways you can do. First, we need to find 3% of 90,000 for Ben, because on 1st February 2014 his capital was 90,000. So 3% of 90,000, and you get 2,700. So if you do it that way, you get 2,700, and then you find the additional capital, and the additional capital was invested by Ben, so that's 10,000. But you need to remember the dates. So here it's August 2014, and there it is February 2014. So from February to August there are 6 months. So what you'll have to do is you can do 3% of 10,000, 3% of 10,000 into 6 by 12, because we found 6 months and then there are 12 months in a year. So when we do that we get, and that additional capital will be equal to 150 once we find the amount. So then we can record 150 over here. Then 2,700 plus 150 will be 2,850. And even if you do it in 3% of 90,000 into 6 by 12, and then for the additional capital you add 90,000 plus 10,000 and do 3% of 100,000 into 60 into 6 by 12, and add those two amounts, you'll still get 2,850. Then we need to find the interest on capital for Tom. So that's 3% of 60,000, because he does not have any additional capital or anything. So we get 1,800. Then you add 2,850 plus 1,800, and you get 4,650. Now we also need to find the partnership salary. So here the salary is 9,000 for Tom for the first 4 months, and then after that date the salary increased to 12,000 per year. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find 4 by 12. Now see, there are first 4 months, right, and in a year there are 12 months. So we do 4 by 12 of 9,000. So we can do 4 by 12 of 9,000. So we'll get an amount of 3000, and then we'll have to find the remaining um, months of the year, so which is 12 minus 4 months, which is 8. So we do 8 by 12 of 12,000. So then we do 8 by 12 of 12,000, and then we get the amount 8,000. So then we add 3,000 plus 8,000, we get 11,000. We add 4,650 plus 11,000, and we get 15,650. Now since this interest on capital needs to be deducted, we subtract 29,450 and 15,650, and we get 13,800. Now 13,800 will be called your residual profit. So now we need to find the share of profit for Ben and for Tom. Now the ratio given is 2 by 3 to Ben and 1 by 3 to Tom. So first we'll find of Ben. So Ben is 2 by 3. We just need to do 2 by 3 of 13,800. We get 9,200. And even if they don't give the ratio for Tom, we know that the ratio will be 1 by 3 of 13,800, and we get 4,600. So then we can add these two amounts and find out that we again get the same residual profit. So your answer is correct. And this is how we do a profit and loss appropriation account. Now let's see how to make a current account. So we know in a current account, the debit side will have to have drawings, interest on drawings, losses, and the credit side needs to have interest on loan, interest on capital, salary, and the profit share. Now they've asked the current account for Ben and Tom. Let's see the let's try to do the debit side first. So we have the drawings. So drawings for Ben is 9,800 and for Tom it is 2,800. So we record that here. And then we have interest on drawings. So we had found the amount already. So that's 490 and 1,040. Now we don't have any loss. So we can go to the credit side. So the interest on loan. To find the interest on loan amount, we need to do 4% of 15,000 and we get 600. Then we also need to record the interest on capital. We had also found the amount for that. So we'll do 2,850 and 1,800. Then the salary was 11,000 and only Tom got it. Then we record the profit share, 9,200 and 4,600. Then we calculate the balances. So when you calculate the balances of Ben debit side and Ben credit side, the credit side amount is high. So we record 12,050. And when we calculate Tom's debit side and credit side, the debit side amount is higher. So we record that as well. And then we just do the balance carry down. So what we need to do is we'll have to subtract this amount 12,050 from the total of this, and we'll subtract this amount of Tom from the total of this side, and then we get the carry downs. So this is how we do a current account. Now let's see a capital account. Now this is a different question for capital account. So in capital accounts we just need to record the capital amounts. Here they've already given the capital accounts. Okay, so first we record the balance brought down. So we can record 50,000 and 20,000, Amina and Samara. So 50,000, 20,000. Then here they've also introduced additional capital of 10,000, and since it's capital it needs to be recorded, and this is Amina's account. So on Amina's side we write 10,000. In Amina's side we write 10,000. Then we calculate the total. We get the total, and write the same total on the other side, and then just balance it. You get the answer. So this is how we do a profit and loss appropriation account, current account, and a capital account. Also remember to always keep the dates in mind. So see the dates and check out the dates. Like for the profit and loss, we had to do into 6 by 12 and into 4 by 12 into 8 by 12. So there'll be different questions like that. So you'll have to check that out. For more, check out www.sensebusiness.co.uk. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.